Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Cooking Diaries. This is Keertana. In today's video, we're gonna see an interesting Indo-Chinese recipe. I'm gonna show you how to prepare triple Szechuan fried rice. So let's quickly check out the process. So firstly, for preparing Szechuan fried rice, in a wok, I'm taking quarter cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Saute on high flame. After it turns aromatic, I'm gonna add in 1/3 cup of spring onion white, 2 green chili slit, saute. Now I'm gonna add in 1 big sized onion chopped, saute. Cook the onion until it turns translucent. Now I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of carrot, 2/3 cup of beans and 2/3 cup of shredded cabbage. Now saute on high flame. Do not reduce the flame. We need to keep the flame on high. Now I'm gonna add in half capsicum sliced. Saute. Do not overcook the veggies. We need it to be crunchy. Now in this I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper, some salt as per taste. Saute for a minute. After a minute it turns smoky. Now I'm gonna add in 5 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. For Szechuan sauce recipe I have given the link below in the description, so please do check it out. Now mix this well. And now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix this well. Now I'm gonna add in 7 cups of cooked basmati rice and 3 cups of cooked noodles. Combine this well. Make sure everything gets mixed up properly. Now at last, I'm gonna add in some spring onion green. And that's it. Our Szechuan fried rice is ready. Now for preparing our Szechuan gravy, firstly I'm preparing crispy baby corn. So here I've taken 150 grams of baby corn, which I've cut in 2 halves. In this I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and some salt and sprinkle some water and coat the baby corn with the flour. Add flour if required. As you can see, it is now coated well. It is now ready to fry. Now heat oil and add the baby corn. Keep the flame in medium. Stir occasionally. As you can see, the color changes. It is now fried completely. Now I'm gonna take it over a tissue to remove excess oil. Our crispy baby corn is now ready. So now for preparing baby corn Szechuan gravy, heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Saute on medium-high flame. After it turns aromatic, I'm gonna add in 1 medium-sized onion petals, 2 tablespoons of spring onion white, saute, cook until the onion turns translucent. Now I'm gonna add in 1 medium-sized capsicum petals, saute. I'm gonna add in half teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. Saute for a minute. After a minute, you can see that it turns smoky. Now I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, half a teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix well. I'm now adding some salt as per taste and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Mix this well. Now I'm gonna add in 1 cup of corn slurry. I've taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 cup water, and I'm adding another half cup of water too. Now stir it. As you can see, it is now turned thicker. Now I'm gonna add in our fried baby corn. Coat the baby corn well with the Szechuan gravy. And at last, I'm gonna add in some spring onion green. And that's it. Our Szechuan baby corn gravy is ready. Our triple Szechuan fried rice is now ready. So please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. With this quantity, you can serve up to 5 to 6 people. So thanks for watching my video guys. Feel free to comment. For more updates, click on the bell icon below and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.